beautiful viewers. This is the K-Pop Unboxer coming to you with a brand new unboxing. Today in my Season's Greetings series, we have the next one up, which is NCT Wish's Tooth Fairy Wish. So this is NCT Wish's 2026 Season's Greetings, and it's so cute. I also have a POB set from SM. So we will go through that first, and then we will go through everything in this set. So they did like a little tooth fairy, like dentist sort of cavity busting group kind of concept, I guess you would call it. So without further ado, let's get into what's in here. Okay, first thing, let's look at the POBs. So these POBs are very, very cute. Okay, so Xian, and they're all the same on the back. Riku, Yushi, Jaehee, Yo, my bias, who's so cute, and Sakuya, who has this little babushka on. I think he had that on in another thing too, another concept a while ago. Okay, so those are the POBs. So it's a really cute POB set that came with this. Okay. Now let's open the Season's Greetings. So I love this concept. It's really cute. So this is kind of hollow, this area here, and then this area right here. And everybody, oh, so cute. Okay, and then everybody has a little star with a different face for each person. And then here's everybody on the side. Here's the back. Okay, here's the inside cover. I'm gonna see if I can find the Polaroid and turn it around so we can look at that later. Okay. So cute. It's just cardboard on the other end. Alright. For some reason the pens are coming out of their little plastic. I don't know why. So, as I usually do, I look at the bigger stuff first, then the smaller stuff. So I'm going to take most of this out. Okay, there's the inside. Okay, let's see what we got here. I think to start, we got some posters. We should have two. This is the first one. So they're like cavity blasters or sugar blasters. So they blast the cavities out of your teeth. And then here they are with the toothbrush. And they also do sell a toothbrush in the merch that looks just, well, it's not that big. It's an actual toothbrush, I think. Okay, so those are our two posters. Next, we're going to do the A4 photos, which looks so cute. I'm pretty sure you get two sets. So, Xian. Cute. Yo, he looks so cute. And Sakuya. Okay, and then the second set. Xian. Riku. These are really nice. Yoshi. Jaehee. Yo. Aw. Sakuya's tired. Okay, so those are the A4 photos. They're nice. Okay, and then we're gonna do, next we're gonna do the calendar. So it does fold out so it can stand on your desk. This is the cover. The bucket. I love it. There's everybody with the toothbrushes. So cute. So January is Yo. February is Sakuya. So cute. March, Jaehee. April, Yoshi. May, Xian. June. Wait, can we just do that? Yeah, June. Ooh, the font's different. July. Jaehee. August. Yo. September. Xian. October is Riku. Wait, this way. November, Sakuya. And December, Sushi. Okay, yep, that's everybody. So when you put it on your desk, you can, if you want to look at the actual calendar, you would have to have it like that, and then the photos would be in the back, or if you just want to look at the photos like that. Okay, so that was the calendar. Then we have this brochure, which is just basically a small photo book with glossy pages. Happy Teeth Guidebook. How to make happy teeth. Xian, and then there's a little message in Korean. Riku. Yo. Yoshi. Jaehee. And Sakuya with his pink hair and his little sofa. Cute. Tooth cleaner. That looks like Windex to me. I don't know if I'd want to put Windex on my teeth, but you know, to each his own. Okay, and then we have the soft cover diary, which looks really cute. Very similar to the cover of the what's on the back cover. This is hollow, partially hollow on the back. Okay, so I think this kind of, yeah, it ends up looking like a manga a little bit, and they're called the Sugar Busts, Team Sugar Busters. So they're attacking the sugar in your teeth so it doesn't cause cavities and decay. So that's Riku and his little blaster, Yushi and his blaster, Jaehee. Oh, and then we get a little cute unit. Aww, so cute. These are adorable. Yo, Xian, Sakuya, and then we have the calendar months. So it was, oh, their debut second anniversary is coming up. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And they have their birthdays marked in here. Okay, and then after that, we have all of the weeks. And that's all the same. And in the back, we have like blank paper with little stars. So you can write notes and stuff if you want. And then one last group photo. Okay, so that's our soft cover diary. Now we have this message postcard set. So they wrote little messages on the back. Xian, Riku. They're also posing with their little toothbrushes. Yushi down here at the bottom. Jaehee, Yo, and Sakuya, who's chewing on his little cloth. Okay, so those are the cutie patootie message postcards you get. Okay, and then you get this pen, which says Tooth Fairy Wish. So this is a new item in the SM ones that they all come with. So you have a pen to write with. Okay, and then before we do the last one, we have the random Polaroid, and we got Yushi. No, do that one again. Okay, now we have the random Polaroid, and we got Sakuya. Sacutie. It's more like it. I usually don't collect these, so because it's too difficult. Okay. All right, the only thing we have left are the photo cards and then this special item. So each SM Season's Greetings this year came with one special item for each group that was different. So this is their different item, if you will. It goes along with their theme. It's very heavy. It is a metal pendant and some heart ID photos to put in it. It's very heavy. You can hear it when it hits the ground. It's very shiny. Okay, and then you open it up. Wow. And then I'll show you the little ID cards, and then we'll put one of them in. I wonder which one. Okay. Xian, Riku. Sorry, my fingers are so big. Yushi, Jaehee, Yo, and Sakuya. We're gonna put Yo in here. So it just sits in the little thing and then closed. And you can hang it on a bag or a keychain or just somewhere close by. Okay. So that's the special item for theirs. Okay, and then the last thing we have are the 2 photo card sets. So they are in this envelope. So we'll do the concept ones first. So Xian, Riku, they're all the same on the back. Yushi, Jaehee, Yo, and Sakuya. Okay, and then these are the selfie photo card sets. So these are in their Sugar Blaster looks. So cute. Anyway, that was Xian, Riku, Yushi, so cute. This set is really cute. Jaehee, finger poke. So cute. Oh my god. Okay, that set of photo cards is like worth the cost of the season's greetings. Okay, so we're gonna put a couple things out just to show you. So we have this pendant. We have all the stuff that went with that. We have this. We have the postcards, the polaroid, the soft cover diary, the brochure, the calendar, the A5, 4 photos, and the 2 posters. It'd probably be nice if everything was in the screen. There we go. Except for Yushi, he's cut off there. Okay. So that's just a quick look at everything. Okay, so that was the NCT Wish 2026 Season's Greetings Tooth Fairy Wish with NCT Wish. So make sure you would do me a favor and give me a like, thumbs up. Comment below who your bias is. Mine, of course, is Yo. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my future unboxings, including the rest of the season's greetings we have coming in the future. So make sure you do that. And as always, take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!